Let's go in this little one. Did we do the little one, Lisa?
I don't think
I don't
so.
think we did the little one. This is their little one. Okay, it's 30 foot. Here we go, sorry. 30 feet. Okay, this is the 26RD. Show price, $44,995. So let's go. Extended handle.
Water.
This also, I feel like we're seeing this over and over again here. Go back there, Lisa. Right? I feel like we're seeing this sort of design floor model in a lot of the manufacturers in the 30 foot and under. You've got your U or C-shaped dinette here in the back. Table converts down to make that a bed. Cabinetry above. And then you've got your theater chairs over here. And across from the theater chairs, which by the way are all manual. Okay, you just put the pull. And right across here is a gigantic TV. It's a 50 or 55. It's really big. There is an audio system built in here. Okay, and as you see, that flows right into the kitchen with the little pull up here on the end. Full basin sink, 3 burners, mini oven, microwave, cabinets that open up and go all the way down into the corner. So you're using all the space, right? We've seen this 2 or 3 other times with the other manufacturers. It just comes down to the build and the quality, which one you choose. Solid cabinets in there, or shelves, I should say, which are all adjustable. These are all great things. We don't see a ton of adjustable shelves. Your Everchill 12-volt fridge, which is on. I feel the coolness coming out of there. And then we walk up to the front. I mean, look, this would be a great couple's fifth wheel, without a doubt. I would definitely, if I was looking for a smaller size fifth wheel, I like this. This doesn't bother me.
Yeah,
right?
I like it as well.
Porcelain foot flush. I'm a little tight to the wall on this one. Okay, I don't know if it's because it's how they mounted it, but as you see, I'm literally, I'm in the wall. I just wanted to make sure I was like centered right. So this would be tough for the fluffy. It's okay for the tall. I got plenty of leg room, but yeah, I feel like I need to lean a little bit to the right. So if you're any broader than I am, it'd be a little rough. Okay. Directly across from me is your under countermount sink, countertop for your vanity, which is generous. Don't forget you've got your hot water on demand. You've got 4 drawers and some storage underneath there as well. You've got your vanity up top, 2 opposing cabinet doors and mirrors, and a little bit of cubby there. The only thing missing in here, place for towels. Got no towel storage in here. Okay, as I climb in, this is I think a 30 by 36. Pretty roomy, pretty comfortable. At least 5 inches above my head, so you could be 6'9". Again, I'm 6'4". Do the math backwards. 3 shelves in the back, and sort of a bigger shower head than normal. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like it.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Yep. All right. Going into the front. This looks like an RV King again. They're pretty good about that. Let's see, does this go up? Yes, it does. More storage up here in the front. Just awesome. You do have some cabinetry all the way around. So you've got shelves on this side. My guess is you probably have shelves on the other side too.
I would tend to agree.
Yep. The reason is if you spin around, Lisa, there is a wardrobe right behind you. And I'm pretty sure that is all hanging space if you open that up.
I bet you're right. Look at that. We have clean space.
Okay. Now there is power in USB both left and right. There's a couple little trays there in front of those doors. So you can put your CPAPs there, but there's also a tray in the back with power and USB.
So lots of power in here.
Yes, lots of power. And you could put a TV right up here if you want. There's the hookups for it right there. And so see, TV back are in place.
And these cabinets actually look pretty deep.
Yeah, I mean, they're okay.
Yeah.
I mean, the front, of the RV's slanting.
It is.
So, all right. There you go. All right. So there is one of their smaller models, the Tandara 26RD.